Assalamualaikum, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'll show you how to complete the files mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please like and subscribe. To finish this mission, you need to find 3 secret files and give them to Sir B. There are 2 main places where you can find these files most often. First is the news station building right next to the bank. It has 3 to 4 floors with computers and equipment on each floor. And there is a high chance of finding a secret file here, especially on the ground floor. If you don't find them there, you can check the military base. You have a very good chance of finding them around the base or by hacking the crates inside the military base. Additionally, you can also get secret files from airdrops. If you continuously check these locations, you will find all the secret files one after another. As you can see on my screen, I have just turned in 3 secret files to Sir B, and the mission is now complete. And that's the guide to clearing the files mission. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.